Hey, welcome to our channel. I am Parvez. 25 active ways to make money at home. There are many ways to earn money while working from home. Among its many benefits, home-based job offer flexibility to make your own schedule and enjoy a strong work-life balance. Just you choose which one you like to do and go with it. In every way you can earn passive and long time. In this video we discuss 25 ideas on how to make money from home. Let's start. Number one, CPA marketing. What is CPA marketing? If you are looking for a way to make money while you are sleeping, just take action and start. CPA marketing full means cost per action or cost per acquisition. There are many categories of CPA marketing: pay per sale, pay per sale, pay per action, requiring payment. In online world there are many sided to make money with CPA marketing: Max Bounty, Click Dealer, CPA Lead, My Lead. You can go Overbold. Overbold is the most popular CPA product review site and CPA network review site. Here you can find lots of product which are still running and with their network. Here you can apply, sign up and talk with affiliate manager to get approved to promote this product. Next, number 2, affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a process where publisher earn a commission by promoting a product or service made by another retailer or advertisers using an affiliate link. The affiliate partner is rewarded a pay for providing a specific result to the retailers or advertisers. Is the biggest software and apps marketplace. In the below you can find a affiliate link. Click here and apply for their promoting their product. In the video description you can find a details video to about affiliate marketing or CPA marketing. Next, number 3, Facebook marketing. It will take you 6 months to generating good earning without any investment. Handling your other work or your job among 6 months, giving some time, you can generate a passive income monthly 1 to 5,000. Facebook marketing is very effective and active earning way. There are many category to make money with Facebook marketing: local awareness ad, traffic ads, posts, engagement ad, Facebook's on platforms, lead ads, promote your own CPA or affiliate marketing product or your own product, and you can earn to sell your own services in Facebook. Otherwise you can also make money Facebook monetization. Facebook monetization is a passive earning way. you make content or create a blog or write an article, you can share your content and article here, and Facebook monetization to give a big earning. Next, video marketing. Video marketing is very effective and active earning source. You generate a passive earning from here. You can sell your own video or make a product review video or promote any kinds of product in your video. You can also make money from here. Next, number 4, blogging. Making money blogging sound like a dream. You can also blog from anywhere in the world about the topic of your choice. You will need to create a blog, of course. After that, you need to grow your audience. To generate earning, you can use Google AdSense, Amazon Affiliate, or any other CPA networks. Next, number 4, Google AdSense. Number 6, Google AdSense. You will need to create a YouTube channel or apps or website or blog, of course. After that, you need to generate traffic, grow your audience, then you can earn money from Google AdSense. Next, number 6, YouTube. YouTube is a big industry of video. There are 10 ways to earn from YouTube. Next, freelancing. Number 8, freelancing. Freelancing is a kind of work that people do when they want to work for their whiles. Freelancers are their own bosses instead of working for a company. There are a lot of freelancing marketplace where you can work, like Fiverr. Here you can sell your gigs and also you can beat others job. Upwork, also a popular freelancing marketplace. You can also register here, or issue clerk, freelancers, fixed job, LinkedIn, Guru. There are lots of marketplace. Next, number 8, number 9, content writing. You can earn from content writing. If you want to become a writer, you have to write something about tropical health, make money, others, and you sell your content to freelancing marketplace and others where LinkedIn you apply for job. There are a lot of opportunities to make money by content writing. Number 10, dropshipping. Dropshipping is the biggest earning source and passive earning source. Here there are a lot of opportunity. You can buy some product from Shopify, Walmart, Alibaba Express, others where, and you can sell your product on Facebook Marketplace, Amazon Marketplace, and create a e-commerce website. It's a very profitable business. Number 11, become a virtual assistant. Number 11, sell your own service. If you provide any services, you can sell the services online by Facebook, YouTube, Twitter, social media, and a blog. By you can also create a blog about your services, what is the benefit facility, what you are give. uh, you can grow your service and grow your business. Number 12, become a virtual assistant. Because virtual assistant, online virtual assistant, its main online virtual assistant. Here you can use the freelancing marketplace LinkedIn to find the job. Online virtual assistant, you can earn $1,000 to $5,000 per month without investment. Handling your main jobs, you can also do this. Number 30, Tutor student online. You can make money online by using Tutor student online. You can teach in online, you make a course, or sell your course, or online Zoom class, take a online Zoom class, the paid service, and you can earn. Number 14, create sale funnel. Number 14, create sale funnel. Sale funnel, if you're a marketer, online marketer, or video marketer, and you have a blog, apps, otherwise you create a smart sale funnel. That sale funnel generate a earning, which is removed to your earning first time. Then it is a second opportunity to make money. Number 15th, launch your online store. Launch an online stores. You can launch a store in online where you sell your own physical product or digital product others. You can make money from here. Next, number 16, create online course. If you are an expert any topics, you create a course and sell this online. Here you can make money from here. Handling your main jobs, main works, you can also do this besides your main work. Next, number 17, test website and apps. Number 18, sell your photos, or a very demandable things in our online. You sell your own photo in Design 90 site. There are a lot of, you can find a lot of site where you sell your own photos. You search Google photo sale site. Adobe Stock, Shutterstock, Alamy is the biggest platform to sell your photo and generate passive earning long time. Next, 19th, sell unused gift card. Next, 20. Become a influencer. Become an influencer. If you have a traffic source, you can sell your traffic like as an influencer. 21. Publish an ebook. You can publish your own book as an ebook, PDF file, and sell this online. Next, number 42. Invest in stocks. Online stocks is a biggest platform. You can invest here and earn lot of money when you are sleeping. While you are sleeping, there are opportunity to generate earning. Become a TikTok consultation. You can also make money from Tutor to make a video. Get a part-time jobs. Number 24. Get a part-time job. It is a good source to make money, to give few times beside your jobs. Number 25. Buy and sell domain and hosting. Buy and sell domain hosting, you can also make money at home. Thanks.